Hi everyone. Visual marketing can have a huge and positive impact on your marketing. Plus, it can impact your SEO with higher search rankings and drive traffic to your website. Let's discuss more in this video. Consumers' attention span is decreasing every day. So are their ability for retention. Many do not like to spend more than a few minutes reading an article. They don't like to see a lot of text. They prefer visuals. Visual content includes stuff like videos, infographics, GIFs, memes, and more. Using these can help you get ranked higher on image search results. Sometimes even on the default search results too. And it can also help you reach new audiences. Today, when you do a search on Google, you may actually find the answers on the search results page itself. This is what zero-click search is all about. It is when your query is answered on the search result page, and you do not need to do any further clicks to complete your search to get the answers you're looking for or the information you're looking for. A study by Rand Fiskin, founder of SparkToro, found that 50% of Google searches end on search results page. This means that you are getting less traffic to your website. As such, you need to consider other options. And one of the options is to do visual marketing. Moz reported that a third of all Google searches are for an image. So the good news is that more and more people are searching using images. In the latest Google update called Mum, Google will better understand not only written text but also videos, images, and podcasts. All this is thanks to AI technology. From this, you can tell that the direction Google is moving towards. And soon, so will many other search engines. They will follow Google, and search in the future will be more about using images to do it. As such, it is important to do visual marketing for SEO. One of the visual content that you can use for off-page SEO is images. It is also ideal for on-page SEO, which I shared about, image SEO as one of your on-page SEO techniques in a previous video. So if you'd like to find out more about this on-page technique, go watch that video or click this card above. Continuing off-page SEO, one of the ideas of using images and graphics as one of your off-page SEO efforts is to create images and graphics that people will want to share. It can be shared on social media or even on their own websites. Encourage people to share your images and graphics on social media. To do so, your image or graphic must have unique and interesting information that makes people want to share. When a site adds your image or graphic to their web page, it becomes a backlink. When it is at a site of good quality and authority, you earn a high quality backlink. Also, when your image or graphic has your logo and website address on it, you create awareness of your site and brand. Plus, if that site that uses the image, that adds your image, mention your brand and website on their web page, you also gain awareness, and this can lead to traffic from that site to your website. Also, you may have won a new audience. Another visual content that can help you with SEO is video. Create, optimize, and publish videos on platforms like YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine on the internet. Having videos there can help with your SEO efforts. For example, a search with the keywords, "How to train my dog to stop barking at everything." Notice the YouTube videos that are on the first page of search results. To add on to your off-page SEO efforts, you can add links back to your website in your video descriptions and on your YouTube channel. As your videos become more popular and get more likes and views, clicks from your videos and your YouTube channel will boost traffic to your website. All the backlinks and increased traffic to your website can help it to get ranked higher on search results. So, start doing better and good quality graphics that people want to share. For example, an infographic, chart, or graph with useful information. Also, start creating videos and publish them on YouTube. All these will help your website rank higher, even on first page. Do you have any questions about visual marketing and using it for off-page SEO? Let me know in the comments below. I will continue to share tips and ideas on how to do digital marketing for your business. Remember to subscribe and click the notification button to receive updates whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.